What is up, you guys? Exploring with Steven here. We are here. This is not an abandoned place, but like we are going to an abandoned train station. It's gonna be pretty good.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna head there right now, and I'll see you when we get there.
So
We are here at this abandoned so-called train station. We don't know if it's really abandoned.
There's so many bugs on you guys.
I know. That's why you need to get equipment. Freaking leggings, bro. You're gonna get itchy. Here's cameraman. He's gonna be.
And here's me.
What's up? You guys ready?
Go to my channel, Exploring with Joshua.
Yeah, he's featuring in our video. There's a house right there, so we need to be careful for that. There's probably somebody looking at us. Go. Wait. Yo, this graphics is a lot better. I know. Let's get in here. I'm bringing my backpack. Should I bring my backpack? No, just leave it. Oh God.
Be careful for poison ivy.
Yep. There is poison ivy all around here.
That's why I brought leggings.
Yeah, see?
Gotta get in. Come on, dude.
Come on, let's go. Hopefully we get nothing on us. Are we in there? Are you filming? Okay. Sorry, but there's so many twigs as you can see. Can you see me? Okay, guys, so we're in this place. Feel me. We're in this place, guys. This is pretty cool. We have to get under here.
Yeah. We'll put me underneath this thing.
God.
Yo, show them. Yo, hey guys. So, we're here. Yeah, we are here.
Yo, this is crazy.
Yo, let's go.
God, I feel like I'm gonna bang my head.
Yeah, okay. Hit the like button if you like this video. Like this content.
Saying that white thing, I have no idea what that crap
This
is.
place is full of freaking trucks. We can get in. Look. No. Let's go.
Move, go.
Bee nest
Go.
mat. Yeah, look how many bees are here.
Go.
Look at how many wasps there are here.
Let's go.
You have to like freaking break through. Be careful of bees.
Go. I'm trying to film cities and you're right in front of my face.
I mean, like, I'm not scared of the bees. Just be careful.
Where's this train station?
Watch out, these things are like cactus, man. Yo, look. Oh! It got my balls! Oh!
Let's just go, come on.
Be careful of these things. They're like thorns and webs.
Look at that. Complete nature I've never seen.
Yeah, I know. You think I can get on top of this truck? We can get up there. Okay, come on.
Trying to get.
There might be like a high nest or something. Oh, I got the spiky balls on me. Yo, there's a train over there. That's not a train. That's like a. That's like.
I thought you said it was
If there's a helicopter coming, we could go under here.
I thought you said it was a train station.
Yeah, it's more up there though. But this thing grew weeds so much.
We have to get it.
There used to be no weeds here. Yeah, let's try getting through here. Like an easy.
We should have brought it in.
Yeah.
Let's go here, guys.
Guys, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Hit the like button if you think this is crazy, okay? Okay. Look at this. Yo, there's a spray bottle. Oh, get it. Oh God, dude, do not use it. You can get big trouble for this. Yeah, show the people, man. Show the people.
Oh God, I hate this.
You just
We got a spray can bottle.
yeah.
This is crazy. And we're under a truck.
This is crazy. Look what that is. This is the building.
That's the train.
That's the building. Yeah. Yo.
Look at that building. Shh, stay quiet. People might work like behind it. No one's working here.
No, the bulky people drive through here. This is the station, guys. Yeah. Okay, we're currently like at the building.
God.
Look, right here's the ladder. Like right here's a picture going up.
Hey, show me, Malcolm.
I need a cameraman. Can you be my cameraman too? Yeah.
Bro, no, I'm not gonna be. Here, show me. So, guys, this is insane.
So yeah, we are here, people.
This is crazy.
This is
There's a ladder.
insane.
There's a ladder.
Like,
The ladder that you were talking about.
look at this rust. Look at this rust on the thing. You see how old this is? Look at all these weeds too. Poison ivy and all that. Oh,
Look at this little
yeah,
trail,
I'm
bro.
gonna be itching tonight, man.
So there's a little trail.
That's the real building too.
Where's the entrance to the building? No, it's not workers.
dog. Keep on the comments to collect.
Come on. Bro, show the camera on ours. Look here. Look at that. Here, let me see it. Move. Move, move, move. Yeah. We could try to get in here. That looks like a penis. Yeah, I got it. I got it this time. I've gotten better at camera holding. Look under here. There's a lot of stuff.
Oh, we're gonna go underneath it. See what goes.
No, we're good.
Look at
Shh, shh, shh. To get in here. Or they're here. No, there's no lock. Oh, never mind. There's a lock.
in it though.
Yo, what? Is there somebody? Yo! See, I gotten better because I'm not going like this. It's crazy. What is that? Yo, open it. That's an engine. That's crazy. That's freaking crazy. That's worse. Somebody's here. Hide under the truck. Shh. Somebody's. What if it's an explorer? What if it's an explorer?
Want me to go out and see?
Let's go that way. Dude, what are you doing? I don't think so. Yo. What are you doing? Somebody's here with us. Yo, what was that? Yo, what the fuck? Stop. For video. I looked outside. Stuff were falling. Guys, let's go. We're fine. There's nobody here.
It's just worse.
Yeah, let's just go.
I'm sorry for the engine.
What the heck is this?
I know, right?
Go, go, go. Hey.
You can feel the rust on the stuff.
That's crazy. Dude, Malachi, here. Here. Film me getting out. Film me getting out. Yeah, let's go.
Pause it, pause it. And I got neighbor back.
Yo,
This
What
is
is
crazy.
This is the station.
This over there is the train tracks, like over in those bushes. It used to be empty, no vegetation whatsoever. I think they had trucks here too, but who knows?
You think there might be a way in?
Yeah, there has to be one.
If there's a way, you can get in. And there's more over there.
There's a what?
Look at this real quick,
Okay. Look, I'm holding 2 phones. Huh?
Watch out this glass here, guys. Look at this glass.
Here, let me see my phone.
I'll record Josh for this video.
This is poison ivy. This is poison ivy, so be careful.
That's poison ivy. Poison ivy right there.
I'm gonna
Right
walk,
there.
I'm gonna walk through the glass.
Shit, yeah, there's poison ivy everywhere.
Look at that.
Right here's poison ivy, so lift the tree. Look at that. That's a train track.
Yeah, let's go look at that. Come here, guys. Come here. Look at me. Come over here. Come over here.
Shh. What was that?
It's one of those boys that are like, oh, guys, look at this.
Yo. What the heck?
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's one of those. It's one of those carts you go.
Yeah, those carts. Dude, look. It's a mine cart. Yeah, those are mine carts. What?
Used to go like that. Look at them.
Yeah, those are mine carts. They took those to the mines. They took those to the mines.
You're Minecraft.
Look at that.
It's like an old style. Look at this. Look at the stairs. Look at the stairs, man. Look
Freaking
at those.
stairs.
Now, how are we gonna get in here?
I don't think we were able to get in.
There's like a garage there in the front. I'm gonna try lifting that thing up and getting in.
I guess, but look. I'm getting all these spikes on me.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, yeah, we can get you right here. Come on, walk down.
That's because it won't focus. Oh, look. There's a way in. Shh, be quiet. Yo, look. Look. We can lift that. Oh. Yo. Yo.
It smells like, guys, it smells like total shit over here. See that red thing?
That's like a campfire.
It smells like total.
I think there's a way in, though. I think there's a way in. You see that? That gap?
I wanna see.
We could get in.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll try getting in.
Yo, let's get here. Let's go here first. Let's go here first. Yo, shh, 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 shh. I heard people talking. They're getting the bikes.
We'll go check them out.
Yeah, let's go check. No, I
If
think
they have it on.
we'll be fine.
We'll come check if they have the bikes. Okay, can you move the camera?
I'm gonna pause it.